Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make deviled egg potato salad. This easy method will help you create a crowd-pleasing dish in no time. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 pounds of potatoes, 6 large eggs, and 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise. Don't forget 1/4 cup of yellow mustard, 2 tablespoons of sweet relish, and a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. These simple items are the foundation for a truly delightful salad. Now let's get cooking. Start by boiling your 2 pounds of potatoes until they are fork tender, which usually takes about 15 minutes. While those are cooking, hard boil your 6 large eggs for 10 to 12 minutes to ensure they are perfectly set. Once both are cooked, drain them and let them cool completely. Peeling them when cool makes the process much easier and cleaner, preparing them for the next step. With your potatoes and eggs cooled, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully dice both the potatoes and the hard-boiled eggs into small, uniform pieces. Transfer them to a large mixing bowl. Now, add your 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of mustard, and 2 tablespoons of sweet relish. Sprinkle in your salt and pepper. Gently fold all these wonderful ingredients together until they are thoroughly combined, ensuring every bite is flavorful. Almost ready to enjoy. Before serving, give your deviled egg potato salad a taste and adjust any seasonings like salt or pepper to your liking. For a beautiful presentation, garnish the top with a light sprinkle of paprika and some freshly chopped chives. Then, cover and chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to meld perfectly, making it even more delicious when you serve this delightful dish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.